This is my third video. In this video, we are going to see about two functional models. Previously, we hard-coded the structure and we created one report. That is a ALV report. But now we are going to use some functional model to get rid of that structures. So, okay, let's get started. First, we have to mention the tables. We are going to use Mara table again, and we have to create an internal table. LT Mara type table of here. Previously we used Mara, but now we are going to create one global level structure. To create a global level structure, we have to go to S11. Yeah, click on data type, give any name. I'll give just structure 002. I'll click create and click structure and click create, and I have to give some short description. Okay, uh, here give the fields that you want. I'll give the same fields here also. Give and click enter, and again give the here, then it will be automatically populate these values. Yeah, now activate this. You'll have some local object. You will see some warnings. Don't worry about that. Yeah, you're seeing some warnings. Now copy the structure name and go to a report program and give it here, and we are going to use the same structure again, but we are not going to use the work area. Type slis underscore t underscore field cat underscore alv. That's it. Now we are going to perform the select query. Select matanor enum ersda from Mara into table lt. I'll just check the syntax. Okay, just some warnings. No error. Now we are going to call on function model, that is reuse alv field catalog merge. Okay, I'm creating this function model, and you have to uncomment the exporting. Here you have to give the structure name, that is our global structure we created. Give it inside a single quotes, and here you have to give the this field cat. Okay, now I'll uncomment these exceptions, and after that the steps are the same. Again you have to click pattern, and this time we have to call the ALB grid. Okay, now uncomment this exporting. Here just give this LT Mara, then go to this and uncomment the field cat and give the field cat name that we used. We used this field cat, IT field cat. Yeah, everything is fine. I'll just uncomment these exceptions as well. I'll check the syntax once. Yeah, everything's good. I'll activate this object. Okay, now we are seeing the output. This is one way we can do this. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.
Peace.